Okay, so this is how we use a screencast. On the left here, I've got a screencast ready to go. Downloaded it from from YouTube, ready to go. And on the right hand side, I've got a hard copy of the paper where I'll write them out. And I've got a black pen for when I can do it myself, and a red pen when I need the screencast to help me. So I'll start off. If I know what to do immediately, then I'll just do it in black ink, and I'll check on the screencast in a moment. If I don't know what to do, then I'll come across the video and I'll play the video.
Mark by out means get rid of the brackets. So A times 3, 3 A's, A times plus.
Okay, so I've seen this is in red, so I needed some help. So A times 3 was 3A, and it said that A times A. Well, I know what I'm doing now. A times A. So I picked up a black pen, and A times A is plus A squared. And I've done that in black, so I've done that myself. Okay, the 3A, that's what I needed the help with. Factorise. Well, if I know what I'm doing here, then again, I can do this in black ink. If I need to go through it a bit.
Plus A times A is A squared. Factorise means put the brackets in, really. And we can see that 4 goes into both these. So I can take out.
Okay, so I take out a 4. So this I've needed some help. So I take out a 4, and then I'm thinking, I've got the idea about what's happening up here, so I'm going to try it myself. 4 times something has got to give me 4b. I think that's going to be 4b. And then 4 times something has got to give me the minus 12. I think that will be minus 3. That will give us minus 12. So I think it's that. And then I'd come across back to the screencast to see where I am.
4 times b will give me 4 b's, and 4 times is going to be negative 3. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, right there. This I can go and solve.
Right, so I've got to do the last bit. I'm going to need to solve this inequality. Well, I know that inequalities you treat just like equations, so I probably know how to do this. But if I didn't know how to do it, I'd put down the black pen, I'd pick up the red pen, and I'd press play.
Just like solving an equation, I want to get rid of the x first, so I'm going to take...
Okay, so it said it's just like solving an equation, so it said get rid of the x first, so I'm going to take away x from that side, and now I'm going to take away an x from that side, and now I'm doing it on my own, so I'm just going to do it now in black, so that would be 2x minus 6. It said treat it just like an equation, so I'll put that and 4. But the point is, if I get stuck at all at any stage, I can go to the screencast. And what I'm wanting to do is as much black ink as possible. And most times, the very end of the question, at the very least, should be in black, because I should be able to work out what to do. And if you just go to the end of the video and then copy everything down, you will get better at copying, but your maths won't improve. The key thing is to be doing as much maths as you can on paper yourself, as much black ink. But if you use the screencast, that's when you go to the red pen, and we can start seeing what bits you don't know, and then we can address those later on. So that's basically how you use a screencast. I hope that helped.